वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत्
विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रविदो विदुः
ऐवुन् ऋलृक् एओङ् ऐ औच् पयवरट् लन् ञमाङाण्डनम् जभै घढदश् जबगढदश् खप छठथ चटतौ कपै शशसर् हल् अकुक विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः चुयशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा तुलसानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ ञमाङाण्डनानां नासिका च एतैतोगो कण्ठतालु Odautogo kanta oshtam
ओदौतो कण्ठोष्टम्
कारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्टम्
जिह्वा मूलीयस्य जिह्वा मूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
मोराजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामं राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
एनाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
अमान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
Already on. Come on.
We are seeing Shatru Pratyaya in Kridanta. The Shabda and Gita Sandhi will do on every Monday. Today we'll continue with the main topic, which is Shatru Pratyaya. We know that Shatru Pratyaya, number one, it's a Krit Pratyaya and it is a Sarvadhatuka. Because it is Sarvadhatuka, therefore Ganamikarana walks in. Because it is Krit, therefore it is added to Dhatu. And because it is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, therefore Ganavikarana walks in. Shatru Pratyaya, the content is At. The content of Shatru Pratyaya is At. Now in Pullinga Shatranta, that is the Pratipadikam, what is derived by adding this Krit Pratyaya, Shatru Pratyaya to the Dhatu, can be declined in all the genders. Now we are discussing only Pullinga. Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, we will see later. After Pullinga, we will see. Because in Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, you will see the Shatranta form may change. The declension may change. We will see that later. Now only Pullinga we are saying. So when the Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, for Pullinga and Napumsakalinga, we know it is Su Aujas, Auchas. The first 5 places are called Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. And the Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows the Shatru. You have to note that follows the Shatru means immediately follows the Shatru Pratyaya. Should not be intervened by any other Pratyaya. Should not be intervened. Follows means whenever we say follow means immediately following. Unless we specifically say some letters can intervene also. Like in Natvam we have seen, in Chatvam number 2, there also we have seen some letters can intervene. In Natvam at letter, ku letter, pu letter, all these things can intervene between Repa, Shakara, Rikara and Apadanta Nakara. Then Natvam will happen. There it is not immediately following. even though these letters intervene, it will happen. Immediately follow, or even though if these letters intervene. So we specifically say, even if these letters intervene. Otherwise, it means immediately following. That we need to note down. Important. We will see why it is important when we see past participle pratyayas. When we see that, you will understand. So when a sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows, su, au, jas, out, follows the shatru pratyaya, what will get num agama? Shatru will get num agama. The content of shatru is at, and num agama, the content of num is nakara. The content of num is nakara. Makara is it letter. Makara is it letter, and nu anunasika ach, that is ukara, that also it. Therefore, content is nakara. So the nakara, which is the content of numagama, is added to shatru pratyaya when sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows. Therefore, num, where will you add num? Num is added to at. Num being a myth, therefore it is added after the last ach. Why we say after the last ach? Because there could be many ach. There could be many vowels possible. There could be many vowels possible. That is why. Like, if you say one pratyaya I'm giving, I'm just typing here, the space here, you can see. Suppose there is a pratyaya. Tavatu pratyaya. Tavatu is another pratyaya. The content of Tavatu, we are going to see this later. Tavatu is a pratyaya. And here U is it letter, therefore it is Tavat. Tavat is the content of the Tavatu pratyaya. Don't worry about what the pratyaya is, we are going to see that later. Now, suppose if this pratyaya takes num agama, where will you add num? Num means after the ach. What ach? Because here more than one is there. What is this letter? Takara. Not takara, takara plus a. A is here, and here akara plus a is there. So akara is there. Here also akara, here also akara. So now where the num will be added? That question comes. That is why we say after the last ach. Because the stani, tavat, has more than one ach. Whereas here, shatru, there is only one ach. Therefore, there is no problem. When we say num agama to be added, you can add here, it becomes ant. And here, after the last ach, it means it is added after the last akara. So that is why we say num agama, which is a myth agama, being myth, added after the last ach of the stani. Yes, at is a stani, shatru is a stani. Therefore, you get ant. Okay, these are some basic information which we need to remember all the way. So, shatru pratyaya, the addition of shatru pratyaya gives you pratipadikam. Krit tadita samasascha pratipadikam. We know the definition of pratipadikam. We have seen. Artavat adhatuhu apratyaya pratipadikam. That is a basic definition of a pratipadikam. And that is extended to krit also. Krit tadita samasascha pratipadikam. Krit anta also pratipadikam. So therefore now the resultant of the addition of shatru pratyaya to the dhatu and bringing the gana vikarana pratyaya, doing the angakarya, what you get is a pratipadikam. And that pratipadikam can be declined in all the genders. So that shows shatranta will behave like an adjective. Became like an adjective to the substantive. And also it is derived from the dhatu. Therefore, it also plays a role of the verb. So it plays a role of a verb as well as an adjective. Plays a role of verb means it cannot replace the kriya padam. That is important. Cannot replace kriya padam. Should note this. Yes. What is a sentence? What is the definition of a sentence? Ekating vakyam. That is the definition. Yes, a vakyam, a sentence must have one tinganta. That is one kriya padam. Ekating vakyam. That's the definition. Ekating vakyam. A vakyam is that which has got one thing. One thing means one kriya padam. Thing refers to the pratyaya tinganta. Ekatingantam. Thing means tinganta. Ekating vakyam. Then only it is a sentence. Patati is a sentence. Even though karta is not there, we can supply karta. Saha patati or sa patati or tatu patati, whatever it may be. But this is a vakyam. Whereas saha, when you say, that is not a vakyam. It is not complete. There is no kriya. So it is not complete. So kriya padam is important in a sentence. So when you say Shatra Pratyaya plays the role of a verb, it doesn't play the role of a tinganta, a kriya padam directly. So in that sense it is not, but it has got the kriya also. So there may be Shatranta also, and the main kriya padam must be there. Main kriya padam being there, and this Shatranta also, which has got a dhatu, a kriya, which is done by the karta simultaneously. But the main kriya is the kriya padam in the sentence. And this also has got the verb in it, the action in it. So therefore, it conveys two things. One is the action, the kriya. Second one is it plays the role of an adjective. So both these are done by the Shatranta. So therefore, now if we say Saha patati, he reads, Saha patati. This is a vakyam, patati, Saha patati. Now, this patati, if you convert to Shatranta, patan saha, This is what I said in the last class. Patan saha, this we cannot say. Even though this pat has got the kriya in it, but it cannot make the sentence complete. The main kriya padam should be there. Therefore, we supply. Patan saha asti. Saha patan asti. He is reading. Saha patati. He is reading. Both mean the same thing. There is no difference. Saha patati. He reads or he is reading. Saha patan asti. He is reading. He reads. Both mean same. But this usage is not considered to be. It's not considered to be proper by the Vaiyakarnas. So generally, you don't find this usage, but sometimes you find in the Bhashyam, Bhashyakara uses. Therefore, we accept this also, even though the Vaiyakarnas don't accept. And the sutra also is like that. We will see that later. Lataha Shatrashanacho Apratama Samanadi Karani iti. But this you will find in the Bhashyam, Bhagavad Pada uses Gataha San Patan, Pataha San he uses. So therefore it is there in the spoken language, but from the grammar, from the Ashtadhyayi standpoint, this is not considered to be proper. But this usage all is there in the spoken. And the Vyavahara, it is there. So both mean the same. Saha patanasti. Here patati is split into, Kriyapadam patati is split into a Nama Padam and a Kriyapadam. Patan plus asti is equal to patati. Okay, suppose if there is the same person is doing two actions. He walks and reads. Saha patati. Patati is a main Kriyapadam, but he walks, he walks or he goes. Saha patati. Gachan saha, we can say. Here it is, two actions are done, therefore it is fine. Gachan saha patati. While going, he reads. So Gachan has got the Kriya, Gam, goes, to go. So Kriya is there, done by the Karta Saha, and also it is an adjective to the Karta. Pratama Vibhakti Gachan goes with the Kriya, the main, the Karta, the substantive Saha, Gachan Saha Patati. So here can be, this Patati is there, Patan Asti. This usage is not proper. That's what I said. Gachan Saha Patan Asti. He said Gachan Saha Patati. That's all. So when it is in Pratama, Samanadikaranam, then they don't use Shatranta. This is as per the rule of the grammar. But in, as I said, the Vyavahara, it is there. Okay, now, having said this, we have seen this Shatranta can be added to all the dhatus in the 10 gana. So what you get is a Shatranta Pratipadikam. What you get is a Shatranta Pratipadikam. Shatru plus Anta, what's Sandhi? Shatru plus Anta will be Shatranta.
Gunasandhi.
Yan Sandhi.
Not Gunasandhi. Shatru.
Sorry, Yan Sandhi.
Yeah, Yan Sandhi. Shatranta. Shatranta Pratipadikam. Now, we have seen for the first gana, fourth gana, sixth gana, and 10th gana, Kriya Padam derivation we know. The same step we have to follow. Because Shatru is like the thing only. And it is a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Therefore, when Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows a Dhatu, Gana Vikrana walks in. So the derivation is same. Okay, when does Gana Vikrana come? In what Prayoga? Important. In what Prayoga Gana Vikrana will come?
Kartari.
Important. Kartari means active. So Kartari Prayoga Gana Vikrana comes after the Dhatu. If it is Karmani, then it is different. There is no Gana Vikrana. We will see that Karmani Prayoga, we will see at the end of the Shatranta, when we see Shanach, we will see Karmani. So, when I say Gana Vikrana walks in, it's only for Kartari Prayoga, active voice. Gana Vikrana walks in. So, 1, 4, 6, 10 we have seen. What about the Dhatus in the other Gana? We don't know. Just only the simple one I will tell you for the fifth Gana, and we can see that in detail later. For Shatranta, this may be useful. Now I'm taking one Dhatu from the fifth Gana. Okay. Fifth Gana, Chi Dhatu. Chi Dhatu belongs to fifth Gana. Swadi Gana. And Ti. Tip is a Pratyaya. Or we can, okay, let it be Tip. Or Anti. I'm taking Bhagavachanam. Tip plus G. I'm taking Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam. Chi plus Anti. Now, Chi Dhatu means Chayane, belongs to fifth Gana. Now, Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya Anti follows. This is Kartari. Therefore, Gana Vikrana walks in. What is a Gana Vikrana for the fifth Gana? It is Shnu. Shnu is the Gana Vikarna. Shnu is the Gana Vikarna. Shnu is what pratyaya? Shnu is Sarvadhataka. How do you know it is Sarvadhataka? Because it is Shit. Chit pratyaya. Is it can it cause guna to chi? Chi being the anga, can Shnu cause guna? Why?
Apit.
Cause it apit. That which is sarvadhattuka, which is apit, deemed to be kit, therefore guna is negated. Therefore chi and Shnu, content of Shnu. Here we can see this is Shakara and Nu is that. Okay. Shakara and Nu. Shakara is it letter. The content is Nu. So you get Chinu. Chinu plus Anti. Chinu plus Anti. So what you will get? Chinu plus Anti. Chinvanti. You get Ensandi. Chinvanti. Now you get form Chinvanti. This is fifth Gana. So Chinvanti is, if you want Shatranta, as I said.
Sharadji.
Yeah.
I have got a question. This U you are taking as a it letter. Now here you are not taking.
Here it is not it. Nu is the Gana Vikarna. So we cannot take U as a it letter.
In some
Not all the
places,
way.
in some places you take U as it letter.
Where it is only in Agama. In Num Agama we take it as U as it letter. Okay. That we know only whether it is it letter or not, only from the words, from the words what we derive. Here it is not it, that's all. Where it is not required, we take it as it. Where we don't want the H to be it, there we don't take it, that's all. Okay.
Thank you.
The form is Chinvanti we need. If we take it as U as it, then you will not get U, you will not get Vakara here. Right? Therefore, here it is not it. So, in the Shnu, Ganavikarna, U is not it. You have to note that. U is not it. Not always H will be it. If Anunasika H is there, it will be it. Here it is not Anunasika H. How do we know it is not Anunasika H? As I said before, we have lost the Swara. We have lost the Swara, the Anunasika, the Ucharana Mandal we have lost. Therefore, for us, everything looks same. Num is looks same. Num, Shnu, everything is it's only U, but it is not simply U. Anunasika pronunciation will be different. Since we don't pronounce Anunasika nowadays, it is lost. Only in the Mantra Shastra it is there, not in the Vyakarana Shastra, because we have lost. Maybe over a period of time it is lost. Therefore, it is not it.
Because it is take more time. That is it.
It takes not more time. It is more time for pronunciation. No,
Yeah.
no, not that. We have lost. If O is there, O will be the pronunciation, and got the swaras are also is there. Udata, Anudata, Swarita, like Vedic chanting. Ashtadhyayi and Dhatupata, all these got swaras. So this also has got maybe swaras. Anyway, that Anunasika and the swara prakriya and all not there now. And we need to know Shnu there, U is not it. Only that much. Okay. So Chinvanti we have derived. Now from Chinvanti, just Pratipadikam for Shatranta can be derived, we can easily not derive, we can guess. Chinvanti is a Pratipadikam. You remove T. Removing T, what you get? Chinvan. That is the Pratama Vibhakti Ekvachana of the Pratipadika. Chinvat Pratipadika. Chinvat you get it. You get by adding Shatru Pratyaya. So Chinvan, Chinvanto, Chinvantaha, Chinvantam. The last class we saw from the Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam, we can derive the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of the Shatranta. If it is fifth gana, what will you do? That is why I'm explaining that. If fifth gana, Gana Vikrana is Vishnu. Because we have not seen fifth gana, therefore only Bhagavachanam alone I'm saying. So Chinvanti you get, from Chinvanti you can infer the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Chinvat Pratipadikam. Pratipadikam is Chinvat. Takarantaha Pullingaha Chinvat Shabdaha. How you get Chinvat? Same thing. Just copy paste, you get Chinvat. Chi plus Shatra Pratyaya. Shatra being Sarvadhatuka, Shnu walks in, and the content of Shatra is At. So Chinu plus At, you get Chinvat. So Chinvat is the Pratipadikam. When you decline the Chinvat, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana will be Chinvan, Chinvantau, Chinvantaha. Okay. Similarly for the other ganas. So other gana, we don't know other gana. The Gana Vikrana will come. Fifth gana and ninth gana they are simple. Second gana, third gana is different. So we need to be familiar with the forms of the dhatu also, Chinvanti. So that I will say, if it is not there, not clear, I will say you can, from that you can make out. And slowly when we see the form, the derivation of the forms of other dhatus, that you will be able to recognize. So now you can see this. First gana, Patat. Patat is the Pratipadikam. We derived by adding Shatra Pratyaya. And second gana, it is, I'm given one example. As dhatu. Asti staha santi. That is a dhatu from which we get Sat. Or we get Sat. Lot of other rules are there. It's not required. That's the form is Sata. You get Sata. And the Sat when you decline in Pullinga, San Santau Santaha, Santam Santau Sataha. Okay. And Dev Dhatu, we have seen. Dev is Divyati, Divyataha, Divyanti. In Lakara, Lat Lakara, it is declined like that. So Divyat Pratipadikam, Divyan, Divyanto, Divyantaha iti. Shaknuvan, fifth gana, just now we saw Chinu, Shaknu. So Pratipadika is Shaknuvat. Here you can see Nu. Nu is there, Nu is the Gana Vikrana. So Gana Vikrana for fifth gana, it is Shnu. Shaknuvat you get. Shaknuvan, Shaknuvantau, Shaknuvantaha, Shaknuvantam, Shaknuvantau, Shaknuvataha. And sixth gana, Tudat. And seventh gana, Rundat. Seventh gana, Gana Vikrana is Shnam. But derivation form, we will see that later. You will see a Nakara here, Shnam. That much you can note. Rundan, Rundat. So Rundhan, Rundantau, Rundantaha, Rundantam, Rundantau, Rundataha iti. Eighth gana, Kurvat. Eighth gana it is Kurvat. So from Krudhatu you get Kurvat. How you get the form, that also not required. Now you will see later when we see eighth gana derivation. So Kurvat is Pratipadika. Kurvan, Kurvanta, Kurvantaha. Ninth gana it is Kri Dhatu, first dhatu. It is first dhatu. Krinat. This I can explain how it comes. Just to give you an idea about this gana, Krinat. Dhatu is Kri Dhatu. Kri plus Anti. Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam. Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam. Kri plus Anti. Gana Vikrana is Shna. Shna is the Gana Vikrana. Ninth Gana Vikrana is Shna. The content is Na. Fifth Gana it is Shnu. Ninth Gana it is Shna. Therefore, Shna is Sarvadhatukam. It is Apit. Therefore, no guna is possible. Angakarya, not possible. Therefore, Kri plus Shna will become Kri and Krina. Right? What will happen to Nakara? This Nakara? Hello? Can you hear me?
Natvam happens.
Natvam. What is the condition for Natvam?
Rush.
Repa, Shaka, that is in Repa, Shakara, and Murdine Shakara and Rukara. Following that, if Nakara comes, then
Or in between Akkupu Wang.
Yes, Apadanta Nakara is important. Okay, following Nakara, here Nakara is, it's a Padanta Nakara? No. Apadanta Nakara. That condition is important. So here you can see, Kri when I say Kakara plus Repa plus E plus Nakara plus A, then something is okay. So this Nakara is not a Padanta Nakara. And Repa is here. So Nakara follows the Repa, not immediately. Intervened by the letter E. E is what letter? At. At letter is permissible. Therefore, this Dantya Nakara will become Murdanya Nakara. This is called Natvam. We have seen Natvam. This recollect Natvam. So Krina. So A becomes, Na becomes, Dantya Nakara becomes Murdanya Nakara. So Na is that becomes Na, Krina. Right? Any doubt in this?
No.
Okay. Krina plus Anti. Now what will happen after this? Tell me. You know it.
Parasavarna.
Parasavarna. Padanta. What is the rule Parasavarna?
Atoguna.
Atogunaha.
Atogune.
Not Parasavarna, Pararupa.
Pararupa, not Parasavarna, it is Pararupa. Apadanta, A means Akara or Akara, Astra Dirga, everything. So A plus A will not become Savana Dirga. A plus A will be replaced by the Pararupa. A will be the replacement in the place of A plus A. So you get Krinanti. Form you get is Krinanti. Now Shatranta will be, you remove E from T. So you get, you remove T. You get Krinan. So Krinan will be Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam of Krinat Pratipadika. So Krinanti, from Krinanti you get Krinan. Krinan, Krinantau, Krinantaha. Shatranta. Krinantam, Krinantau, Krinataha. You can easily derive after that. Okay. Then 10th Gana, that is same as the first Gana. Chur will get Nich, you get Chori. Chori plus Shatru. Then Shap will come, becomes Chorayati, Chorayataha, Chorayanti. The same. So there is nothing, no difference. The same thing. Like Chora, this Churdhatu, how you decline in Tinganta. So you get Chorayat Pratipadikam, Chorayan, Chorayanto, Chorayantaha. So these are these for Gana. These are the dhatus you need to remember. If you remember these dhatus, one dhatu from each Gana, same way other dhatus in those respective Ganas we can do Shatranta. Okay. Then these dhatus, that is the dhatus of the Jugotyadi Gana. Jugotyadi Gana is third Gana. Third Gana and the 7 dhatus of the Adadi Gana, that will not take Nummakama when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. Important. Excepting that, all the other dhatus belonging to different ganas will take numagama when sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows. That is why here you don't see numagama here. Dadatu becomes dadat, dadatau, dadataha. No numagama here. Dadatam, dadatau, dadataha. So this is example for the third gana. Third gana dhatu will not take numagama, number 1. And the 7 dhatus belonging to the second gana. Second gana example we saw asdhatu, san, santau, santaha. In that gana, second gana, these 7 dhatus will not take numagama. These are 7 dhatus: jakshat, jagrat, daridrat, chakasat, shasat, dhidhyat, vevyat. Iti, these 7 dhatus will not take numagama. If you remember this, then shatranta, all the forms you can easily form. And these we have seen in the last class, a list of dhatus from the Bhagavachanam, Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam, we can infer the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Now we will continue with this, the lesson. Chorayan Gopalaha. So you have to use this Shatranta, then Ditya Vibhakti form you have to say. Okay. Please type your name in the chat box. Krishnaji, please read. Chorayan Gopalaha. Yeah.
Chorayan Gopalaha. Saptami. So Saptami is Chorayati. Chorayati Gopale.
Gopale. Chorayati Gopale. Yes. Chorayati, it's not Tinganta, Shatranta, qualifying Gopale. In the Gopala, who is stealing? In the stealing Gopala, it means. Okay. Chorai. The sentence you will see how it, in the context sentence, why it is Chorayati Gopale. Chorayati Gopale. Some main Kriya Padam will be there, some other words will be there. Then that will be very meaningful. Now a part of the sentence is given. Just trying to use the Shatranta, different vibhaktis. So Chorayati Gopale. Okay, which gana is dhatu is Chorayan?
The 10th one.
10th one. Next one, please do.
Tishtan Bataha Shashti. Shashti Tishtataha Batasya.
Yes, Tishtataha Batasya. Tishtataha. Dhatu is?
Sta.
Which gana?
Sta is the first gana.
Second dhatu. Sta dhatu. Remember the sta and other the dhatus, their form changes. Sta becomes tisht, pa becomes pib, gam becomes gach, shadra becomes seed. And pratyaya beginning with when the shit pratyaya follows. When the shit pratyaya follows, these changes happen. So sta dhatu becomes tisht. So tishtati. Tishtataha batasya. Shashti form is that. Okay. The next one, Ganeshji. Uttishtan
Prabhakaraha. So this is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Uttishtan become Uttishtam.
Please say the Pratipadikam, say the Pratipadikam and the declension or Shatranta form of this. What is the Pratipadikam?
Uttishta.
Uttishtat. Okay, now you decline.
So it is Uttishtan, Uttishtan-tau, Uttishtan-taha, Uttishtam, Uttishtatam.
And Uttishtatam. Numagama, where is Numagama? Uttishtatam when you say. Sarvanamasthana, right? So Numagama must come. So remember the Shabda. Uttishtantam. Remember the Shabda. Pachat, Pachan, Pachantau, Pachantaha, Pachantam, Pachantau, Pachataha. So Numagama is important.
Uttishtantam.
Yes.
Uttishtan-tau. And Uttishtataha.
Yes.
So here
Nakara is not there. So it is Uttishtantam.
Complete. Uttishtantam.
Uttishtantam. Dvitiya vibhakti will
Prabhakaraha is there. Dvitiya vibhakti ekvachanam.
Prabhakaraha. So it's Prabhakaram.
Prabhakar. Uttishtantam Prabhakaram Aham Pashyami. You can say, right?
Right.
I see the rising sun. Right?
Right.
Uttishtantam Prabhakaram
Prabhakaram.
Aham Pashyami. Aham Pashyami. Pashyami main kriya. What do I see? I see Prabhakara, Surya, Aditya. Aham Prabhakaram Pashyami. And what the Prabhakara is doing? It is rising. Uttishtantam Prabhakaram Aham Pashyami. Right?
Right.
Continue.
Likhan Chhatraha. So it's Likata and Chatrena.
Likata Chatrena. Yes.
Likata Chatrena.
Okay, next person. Do you all understand the Shatranta? Have any doubt?
Notion.
Okay. Smatiji.
Yeah. Chinvat will be Pratipadikam.
No,
So
it's
you
not
get
Shinvat. Let's see.
Chintayan Acharya.
Hmm.
So it will be Chintayan. This is causative, Sharanji.
10th Gana.
10th Kana.
Not causative. Chiti, 10th Gana Dhatu. So 10th Gana Dhatu is Chiti Dhatu. The form is Chintayati, Chintayataha, Chintayanti. Okay.
So the Shatru, that will be Chintayan only.
Chintayat Pratipadikam.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Tritiya will be Chintayatha Acharyena.
Yes. Chintayata Acharya.
Acharyena.
Continue.
Then Vahan, Vayuhu, Panchami will be, it will be Vahataha, Vayuyat, Vayut. Oh, I'm sorry, it's a Ukaranta.
Guru Shabda.
So, Guru Shabda. So it will be.
That is why this Abhyasa is.
Yeah. So it will be Vayuroho.
Not Vayuroho. Guru Shabda.
Guroho. So it will be Vayoho.
That's it. Vayoho.
Guru
becomes Guroho.
Guroho. This becomes Vayoho. So it takes some time to sync.
Yes. I know this confusion will come. That is why this exercise is. The impact of Shatranta also will be there on the other proper nouns. Okay. Continue.
Sharan should not be Vayuna.
What
Panchami,
vibhakti is that? This is Panchami, right? Vahan Vayuhu, Panchami. Vagataha Vayohu. Vayuna is Tritiya vibhakti, right? Ganeshji.
Yes, got it, Sharan.
Yeah, okay. Next person. Ramaji.
Yeah. Chalayan
Sorry.
Naha.
Yeah.
Alayan Janaha Saptami. Chalayati Jane.
Okay. Chalayati. Which Gana, which Dhatu is this? Which Gana? Chalayan.
Chalayati is it fourth?
Fourth. Okay. If it is fourth Gana, what is the Dhatu?
Tenth or fourth, Sharanji.
Okay. If it is, let's say it is fourth. Okay. Then what is the Dhatu?
Dhatu. Chala.
Chala. Okay. Chala is Dhatu. Then Chala, that yes could be an ether letter, right? So Chal must be the Dhatu.
Yeah.
So Chal plus Shan. What will happen?
Yakara. Ya will be the content.
Okay.
Then
Chalya.
Chalya.
But Chalya is not here. It is Chalayan.
Yeah.
Therefore, it is not fourth Gana.
It's not fourth. Okay.
Then what Gana is 10th? It is not 10th Gana also. It is a causative form. Causative form of the first gana dhatu, chal dhatu, chalati.
Okay.
Chal becomes, chal plus nich becomes
Nich will, so chal. Chali. Yeah, chali.
Chali is a new dhatu. So chali is a dhatu that you have to see. When you see
Okay.
chalayan, you should be able to see the chali as a dhatu. If it is chali, then it is not
Nijanta.
tenth gana, it must be nijanta.
It's
Chal.
also in 10th gana also, no ji, chal.
Maybe there 10th gana also possible.
Yeah.
Maybe
Then
there
what will be the form for the 10th gana?
10th
It
gana,
will
the
be
form will
same,
be
right?
same. It is svartenich or prayatenich. That.
Yeah. Okay.
And if this is the 10th gana,
Yeah,
then it is svar. Generally we take svarte. Depending on the context, we can take prayanate also.
Okay.
But here chalayan janaha is that, so we can take it as a first gana. 10th gana also, if it has the same meaning of chalayan janaha, you can take.
Give a brutto to foster what it means.
That is not the meaning here then.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, continue, Ramaji.
Yeah. Kartayan sauchikaha saptami kartayati sauchike.
Kartayati sauchike. Dhatu is
Kartayati.
kartayan.
Kartayati is the shap. So kartai plus shap plus ti. Kartayati. So first gana. Is it first gana?
If it is first gana, okay. Krut.
Hmm?
Krut becomes kart. Then where is how you will get ya? So ya also comes and the penultimate of guna also happens. Right? So dhatu is, suppose if you say krut is a dhatu, kru becomes kar, guna happens, penultimate letter, ru. And yakara also has come. Yakara will come only when the last letter takes guna and then I means ayadi sandhi, when shap follows. So you have to do a lot of mental calculation. Okay. So it is 10th gana dhatu. Or it could be causative form. Or the first gana dhatu. So kartagati is 10th gana. Krit plus nich, what do you get?
Kriti.
Not
Oh,
kriti.
sorry.
Karti.
Yeah.
Karti plus shap. Karte, kartaya, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So dhatu is krit dhatu.
Krit.
Kru is, upada is ru. Upada becomes kar, guna happens, right? So that is one angakarya. Second angakarya is this karti becomes karte and shap when you add becomes kartaya. Ya also is a, when does ya come? When ayadi sandhi happen. When does ayadi sandhi happen? When the last letter is a guna letter. Karte plus shap, right? So two angakarya can happen, means it should be a causative form. Or it could be belonging to the 10th gana. That is how we have to infer.
Okay.
Purely guess inference. The guesswork. Maybe wrong also. Sometimes make because the dhatu may belong to some other gana. But this much, but we have the background to guess, not just we are simply guessing. This is, we are doing the reverse process. So generally it must be right. Or if I said krit dhatu is first gana, suppose if it is there in the 10th gana itself, that is possible. That may can refer that gana there, whether you find whether this dhatu is there.
Yeah. Kart is 10th gana dhatu is there.
10th krit dhatu. 10th gana
Yeah,
dhatu.
kart it is given. Kart.
Kart, okay, kart. Krit is there?
It is like there is no krit.
Krit is 6th and 7th gana, Sharanji.
Yeah,
There are
krit is 6th gana and 7th gana. Krit.
Okay.
Chedane, Veshtane, there is in 6th and 7th.
So you can guess on this. Yeah. So 10th gana. It is not first gana, therefore it must be 10th gana. If it is 10th gana, therefore the form is karta is there. Fine. Okay. Next person. Kameshwari.
Yes. Dhavan Vriddah Saptami. So Dhavati Vridde.
You have typed your name 2 times. Okay.
Yeah, no, I didn't type it properly first time. That's why. Then Gayan Gayakah Panchami. So Gayatah Gayakat. Ramat.
Say again.
Gayan Gayakah Panchami. So first is Gayatah.
Gayatah. Okay.
Gayakat.
Gayakat. What is the dhatu?
Gai Dhatu.
Gai dhatu. Becomes Gayati. Gai plus shab plus ti. I plus shab. What will happen?
I plus means Yan Sandhi will come.
Not
So,
Yan Sandhi. I, Gai. Gai plus shab. I. What is I?
I means Vriddhi. I plus. No, A plus only Vriddhi will come. I means Ayavaya. Ayadi Sandhi. So I will come. I.
That's what it is.
I.
Sundarji, next one.
Pruchat. Dram.
Yes.
Chaturthi. Pruchate Mitraya.
Pruchate Mitraya. Yes. Next one.
Suchayantaha Nayakaha Saptami. Suchayati Nayake.
Suchayan Nayakaha.
Suchayan Nayakaha.
Or you can make it one.
Suchayati Nayake.
Suchayantaha Nayakaha. Now you can make it simple.
Plural.
Make it now.
Saptami. That is. The Saptami means Suchayatsu.
Yes, Suchayatsu. Good.
Suchayatsu Nayakeshu.
Yes.
Nayakeshu.
Krishnanji.
Yes. Likan Lipikarah Panchami. Likatah Lipikarat.
Yes.
Tadayan Dushtah Tritiya. Tadayata Dushtena.
Yes. Ganeshi.
Patan Vanaraha Saptami Vibhakti. Patati Vanare.
Okay.
Then Gayan Gayakaha.
Yes.
Repeat, I think. This Shashti. So Shashti Gayataha Gayakasya.
Gayakasya. Okay.
Gayakaha Gayakasya.
Yeah. Sumati.
Yeah. Abhinayan Nataha Panchami. So Abhinayataha Natat.
Okay.
Then Piban Mukundaha, which is Chaturthi. It will be Pibate Mukundaya.
Good. Namaji. Last one.
Sorry. Acharan Munihi Chaturthi Acharate Munehe. Sorry. Nina. Sorry. Munina. Yeah, Munina is Tritiya. Marina. Yeah, Munaye.
It takes some.
Suddenly.
Not suddenly, after 189th class.
Yeah.
It happens like that. That's why this exercise is given. I thought in the beginning it is not difficult. It's not difficult even now. I'm not saying it's difficult. But all the shabdas you need to remember. Because suddenly Shatrata Shabda and other Shabdas, so you have to connect. Okay.
Sharanji, I have a question before.
Yes.
Going back to the Pruchat, the page before that, we have Pruchat. So there's Numagama is not coming there. Is that, can you? That one. Pruchat Mitram.
Yes.
So there's no Numagama there?
It's not Numagama here.
Okay.
Why it is not there?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
I thought somebody will ask. Nobody asked, that's why I left it. Okay, not required now. Okay, this Pruchat Mitra.
That's Napumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga.
Yes, Napumsakalinga. Pruchat Mitra. Asking friend or questioning friend. Pruchat is asking. Okay, you can say asking friend. The friend,
so this doesn't
the friend
apply
who
to,
asked. So Mitram.
So this Numagama doesn't apply to.
Napumsaka. No, we will see that later. It comes, but here it is not. Okay. It comes for Sarvanamasthana, but it is not Sarvanamasthana here. Pruchat is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Sarvanamasthana is for Napumsakalinga is
1, 3 and 2, 3.
Pruchat is what?
It is 1, 1.
Therefore doesn't come. Right?
Yes.
Therefore doesn't come. Pruchat. And Mitram is 1, 1. Even if Pruchat, if you take it, Mitram, if you take it as Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Mitram, Mitre, Mitrani, Mitram, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, then also Pruchat will not get, right? Because it is not Sarvanamasthana.
So how do we find which is Sarvanamasthana for Napumsakalinga? It's a kind of silly question probably, but I don't remember.
How do you find? No, there is no question of how do you find. How do you find for Pullinga and Strilinga? It is these 5 places. Su, Aujas, Out.
Yes, Suti Sarvanamasthana.
Similarly for Napumsakalinga 1, 3, 2, 3. These are Sarvanamasthana. This is the definition. For Napumsakalinga, it is Shas and Jas and Shas. These are Sarvanamasthana. 1, 3 and 2, 3. Okay, so that is what we said in the beginning. For Strilinga and Napumsakalinga, the first 5 places. Whereas for Napumsakalinga, it is 1, 3 and 2, 3. That's all. If it is 1, 3 and 2, 3, Napumsakalinga, then Numagama will come. Otherwise, no. Right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next person. Ramaji, please continue. Abhyasa 3. Convert the above into Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam. Oh, okay. I think that you can do it. I'm skipping that now. This exercise, whatever we have done now, you can convert that into Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. Now, Ramaji, can you do this sentence? Acharan Munihi into Dvi and Bhagavachanam.
Yeah, Acharantam Munim.
No. Not Ditya Vibhakti. Same Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam.
Vachanam. Okay. Acharantau.
No. Chaturthi. Acharan Munihi already you said.
Oh,
what
Chaturthi. Okay.
Here Acharan Munihi Chaturthi is there. So far you have been doing only Ekavachanam. Now this Abhyasa 3 is asking you to do Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam.
Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam. Chaturthi. First, Prathama Vibhakti,
Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam is Acharate Munaye.
Okay.
In Acharadbhyam. Munibhyam. Acharabhyaha Munibhyah. Yeah. Munibhyah.
Acharadbhyaha Munibhyaha. This is what this Abhyasa is. So you can do all the Vibhakti. Okay. Give me examples here. Okay, it's not Chaturthi. This is should give us Prathama. Acharan munihi, acharantau muni, acharantaha munayaha. Right? Pratama. Okay, that I think we can do that exercise. Now, Ramaji, please continue. Join the sentences using Shatranta.
धावन् शिशुः धावति पतति धावन् शिशुः पतति बालकः पठति बालकः लिखति पठन् बालकः लिखति शिक्षकः शिक्षयति फलं दर्शयति शिक्षयन् शिक्षकः फलं दर्शयति.
Yes. Shikshayan shikshakaha phalam darshayati, right?
Yeah.
What is the karma for this darshana kriya?
Phalam is the
Karma, yes.
karma, yeah.
Karta is shikshakaha.
Shikshakaha.
And shikshayan is doing another action, teaching. Shatranta, yeah? Shatranta.
Yeah.
The teaching teacher shows the fruit. So, darshayati for that karta is shikshakaha and karma is phalam. And shikshayan, there also kriya is there. For that karta is shikshaka. Does it have karma?
No.
Does it have karma? Can it take karma or not? Yes or no? Anybody? You understand my question?
It can take chatran. Chatraha.
Yes, very good. You can take chatran. Chatran shikshayan shikshakaha param darshayati. Possible. Because
Patam shikshayan also possible.
Anything is patam shikshayan shikshakaha palam darshayati. That patam is the karma for the kriya shikshayati. Right? So, now what do you understand from this? For the main kriya can have the karakas. Main kriya is darshana kriya, darshayati, main kriya. It can have its karaka, karta, karma, karana, then sampradana, apadana, adhika. Similarly, the shatranta also can have its karaka, right? Yes or no?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Yes, it can have. So, if that is there, you can imagine how the sentence can become bigger. Patam shikshayan shikshaka. Patam is the karma for shikshayan. Shikshayan is there. So that is the kriya is the teaching. For that the karma is patam. And patam is taught to whom? Chatran. So you can say chatran patam to karma. Chatran patam shikshayan shikshakaha palam darshayati. Here shikshayan is dvikarmaka dhatu. It can take two karmas. So chatran patam. That is a teacher who teaches the lesson to the student, shows the fruit. Understand? Or is it confusing?
No.
Here shikshayan, it happens to be dvikarmaka dhatu. It can take two karma. See, there are some dhatus which can take two karma. Suppose I ask a question. I ask a question to the student. Now, how do you translate into Sanskritam?
Aham chatram prashnam prichami.
Aham chatram prashnam prichami. So, chatram is also karma. Prashnam also is karma. Aham kim prichami? Prashnam prichami. Prashnam prichami. Prashnam chatran prati. So, chatram also karma. There are some dhatus which can take two karma. In English also it is like that. I ask a question. I ask the student a question. Right? So here the same thing. Shikshayan is a dvikarmaka dhatu. So therefore can be patam also can be there. Chatran can be also be there. Both can be there. Agam shikshaka. Chatran patam shikshayan shikshakaha. Palam darshayati. So anyway, what I want to say is Shatranta, which has got the Kriya, can, like the Tinganta, can take Karakas. So Karaka, here the example what I gave this, Patha, lesson is Karma Karaka, and Karta is Shikshaka. Right? So the sentence can be made bigger and bigger by adding more and more Karakas to the Shatranta. And there could be more Shatranta also possible. Right? Suppose Palam Darshayati is there. Suppose the Palam is falling. Then how do you say it? He shows a falling fruit. The teacher who teaches the lesson to the student shows the fruit which is falling. Tell me.
Patan palam.
Huh?
Patan palam.
Antam palam.
Okay. Pala is Napumsakalinga.
Pumsakam, yeah.
Okay. Patat palam, you have to say. You will say Napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga, we don't know. We are not seen.
Tat palam.
Patat palam. So palam is what? Vibhakti?
Vidya vibhakti.
So in that sentence it becomes patat palam. Patat also Dvitiya vibhakti. Right? So patat palam. So patat is the Shatranta. So it can take again its Karaka. So possible. So a sentence can become bigger and bigger. You can expand the sentence by adding more and more Shatranta and more Karakas to it. Just showing you, you will see later a big sentence. Just showing you how it can be made bigger. Can you all follow what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Ji.
Okay. The next person. Kameshwari.
बालकः धावति बालकः हसति धावन् बालकः हसति गौरवः गच्छति आचार्यः नमति आचार्यं नमति गच्छन् गौरवः आचार्यं नमति
अनुजः आगच्छति वदति आगच्छन् अनुजः वदति पिता पश्यति पृच्छति पश्यन् पिता पृच्छति
कृष्णजी
राघवः
राघवः जिघ्राति तुष्यति
जिघ्रति
जिघ्रन् राघवः तुष्यति श्रीनिवासः वादयति नृत्यति वादयन् श्रीनिवासः नृत्यति
वादयन्, you can guess it is 10th Ganadhat. Vad becomes vada, vadi, vade, then vadaya. Sumati, Ganesh ji.
रजकः क्षालयति पश्यति क्षालयन् रजकः पश्यति बालकः इच्छति स्पृशति इच्छन् बालकः स्पृशति
Sprishati, which Gana is that?
Sprish.
If it is in first Gana, what will happen?
Then becomes Sprishan.
No, just I think the Kriya Pada. Sprishati, what is the Dhatu?
Sprish.
Sprish Dhatu. That for which Gana is that? If it is the first Gana, the form will be?
Sprishati.
No.
If it is first.
If it is in first Gana, the form will be Sprish, is said, right? Sprish. What is Upada? Penultimate letter.
Rikara.
What will happen if a shab comes?
Yeah,
becomes
guna will happen.
So Sparshati. That is, there is no Sparshati. It is Sprishati. Therefore, which Gana is that?
Sixth Gana is.
Sixth Gana, right? It can't be first Gana. It can be sixth Gana. It can be fourth Gana. It can be only sixth Gana. Sprish plus Sha plus T. Sprishati. Right?
Right. Yeah.
Sumati ji.
शिक्षकः पाठयति लिखति पाठयन् शिक्षकः लिखति then कृष्णः चोरयति चिन्तयति चोरयन् कृष्णः चिन्तयति
yes Ramaji
युवकाः यानं चालयन्ति सम्भाषणं कुर्वन्ति यानं चालयन् युवकाः
yes
यानं चालयन् युवकाः सम्भाषणं कुर्वन्ति.
Now you can see when karma is added.
Yeah.
So the Shatranta, slowly you will see the sentence will be expanding like this. Yanam is the karma for
Chalayanti.
Chalana Kriya. It is not the karma for this Kru. This is not the karma for the Kru Dhatu. Right? So Sambhashanam is a karma for Kurvanti. Yanam is the karma for Chalayanti. Karta is same, Yuvakaha. So Yanam Chalayan Yuvakaha. So we can write like this always. Chalayan, Shatranta is that can be placed as an adjective immediately before that. Then you can add all the karakas which can come for the Shatranta Dhatu. Yanam is the karma. Suppose if it has got the other karakas, karana. Suppose Yanam Chalayan. How does it move the vehicle? Suppose let us say Astena. You can say Astena, right? Moving the vehicle by hand. Astena Yanam Chalayan. Possible. For what? Yatraya we can say. Yatraya Hastena Yanam Chalayan. It goes from the city, Nagarat. One Apadan also we can add, right? You can keep on adding more and more karakas. Nagarat Astena Yanam Chalayan Yatraya Nagarat Yatraya Astena Yanam Chalayan Yuvakaha Sambhashanam Kurvanti. And Kurvanti Krudatu Sambhashanam is karma. There also it can take other karakas. So sentence can be bigger. Right?
Sharanji, so here it will be Chalayantaha. Won't it not be a Bahuvachana?
Sorry, you're right. Yuvakaha is Chalayantaha only, not Chalayan. Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Yanam Chalayantaha Yuvakaha. Namaji can note Chalayanta Bahuvachana.
Yeah.
Please continue. Next one.
Vyagraha harinam pashyati shigram dhavanti. Harinam pashyantaha.
Pashyanti must be, it's a mistake. Or Vyagraha. So here that one should be done. Okay.
Harinam pashyantaha vyagraha shigram dhavanti.
Harinam, okay. Pashyantaha. Okay. What is the dhatu for Pashyanti?
Drish dhatu.
Drish dhatu becomes Pashya. And followed by the Shit Pratyaya. So here also it is Shit Pratyaya only. Because Shatri is that, then Kanadikana, same Kanadikana comes, therefore Pashyanti. Whereas Darshayanti, we saw Darshayanti. What is the dhatu for that? We saw Darshayanti before.
Drish only, no?
Drish only, yes. It's a Nijanta. Drish plus Nish becomes Darshi. Darshi is first Gana now. So because it's a derived dhatu. Darshi plus Shab becomes Darshaya. According to C. Dameshwariji.
Archakaha mantram vadati.
Mantram vadati. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Vadanti. Right?
Oh, Archakaha. Yeah. Vadanti. Archanam kurvanti. Vadantaha Dvitiya vibhakti Vadantaha. So Archakaha वदतः मन्त्रं. So वदतः मन्त्रम् अर्चकाः अर्चनां कुर्वन्ति.
Why vadatah?
Because द्वितीया विभक्ति.
What does it qualify? Vadatah. Does it qualify mantra? Or does it qualify archaka?
Mantra.
Really, does it qualify mantra? Mantra is what there for vad?
Yeah.
Kriya.
So I am wrong. So mantram vadantah mantram vadantah archakaah archanam kurvanti.
Yes.
Next.
Here you have to see why the mistake happened, because this vadanti is the vadanti you are making into a shatranta, right? So vadanti referring to, in the sentence vadanti, the kriya pada refers to whom does it refer? What is abhigita? What does it refer to?
Archakaha.
Archakaha, yes, karta. So you are making this into a shatranta. That will be an adjective to the archaka, which is a karta here. Karta is in Pratama Vibhakti. Therefore, vadanti will become Pratama Vibhakti only. Keeping with the vachanam of the karta. Karta is Bhagavachanam, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Therefore, this must be vadantaha, not vadataha. Right? And for this, the karma is mantra. For the vad kriya, the karma is mantra. You can have any karma, doesn't matter. Right?
Okay.
Yes.
Next. Divaraha jalam prasarayanti geetam gayanti. Divara prasarayanti. So prasarayantah divaraha jalam divaraha geetam gayanti.
Always it is better to say like this. Jalam prasarayantaha divaraha. So that it will be clear.
Okay.
The karma for the shatranta, if you place it before, all the other karakas before.
Okay.
Right. Even otherwise also it is clear only. You have to be able to arrange its words and understand properly. That is also fine.
Okay.
Next person, Sundarji.
बालकाः आसन्दे उपविशन्ति पुस्तकं स्वीकुर्वन्ति. आसन्दे उपविशन्तः बालकाः पुस्तकं स्वीकुर्वन्ति.
Yes. Asande, no, asande is adhikarana for the kriya upavish. Right? So for the upavishana kriya, the word what is there is an adhikarana karaka, asande. So asande upavishan taha balakaha pustakam svikurvanti. Okay.
तरुणाः धनं सम्पादयन्ति आनन्दम् अनुभवन्ति. सम्पादयन्ति.
Yes.
धनं सम्पादयन्तः तरुणाः आनन्दम् अनुभवन्ति.
Yes. Next person, Krishnaji.
अध्यापकाः पाठं बोधयन्ति.
It's a mistake.
बोधयन्ति. So पाठं बोधयन्तः अध्यापकाः प्रश्नान् पृच्छन्ति.
Yes.
गणेशः आह्वयति, पुत्रः पठति. आह्वयन् गणेशः पुत्रः पठति. पुत्रं
Ganeshah ahvayati, putraha patati.
Oh, there is no connection.
You have to make it you have to make the connection.
Okay.
So make the connection. How do we make the connection? That is, Ganesha calls, son reads. So Ganesha must be the father, assuming. So he calls the son, reading son, the son who is reading. Yeah.
So Ahvayan Ganeshah Putram.
No, you can't make like that.
Oh yeah.
You have to make the putra patati as a karma to it, right? Patati, putra is the karma. Ganeshah putram ahvayati. What does the putra do?
Okay, Patan Putra.
Patan putra I cannot say. Putram I said. Ganeshah putram ahvayati. Therefore,
okay, Patantam.
yes, Ganeshah patantam putram ahvayati. Understand, all of you? The sentence you have to connect it by changing this. There seems to be no connection, but connection is there. The relationship between Ganesha and Putra, father-son relationship. So Ganesha calls, the son is reading. He calls the son who is reading. So Putram is karma for the main kriya ahvayati. And Patati is done by the Putra. And Putra is in Dvitya Vibhakti. Therefore, that also Shatranta must be in keeping with the Vibhakti, right? It's an adjective. So Patantam Putram. Okay, next person. Ganesh ji.
Acharyah smarati, Shishyah gacchati. Here again, like the previous one.
Yeah.
Gacchan Shishyah Acharya smarati.
Again?
Acharya cannot be smaran Acharya Shishya.
You make any connection the way you like, but will that be meaningful? Okay. Acharya smarati, Shishyaha gacchati. Okay. Then
we can make it as Gacchan Shishyaha Acharya smarati.
Acharya remembers the student who are going. Remember the student who is going.
Student who is going, Gacchan Shishyaha.
Yes.
So Gacchan. So Acharya Gacchan Shishyaha smarati.
Acharya Gacchan Shishyaha means Acharya also Pratama Vibhakti. Shishyaha also Pratama Vibhakti. Which is the which is the karta for smarati.
Right. So it is Shishyam.
Smarati. Yes.
Shishyam.
Yes.
Acharya Shishyam.
Smarati.
No.
Shishyam Smarati is fine. And for Shishya, now the adjective will be, Shatranta adjective will be?
Gacchan.
Yes, make it.
So Gacchantam.
Gacchantam. Now sentence is clear. Acharya.
Acharya Gacchantam Shishyam Smarati.
Yes, this is a sentence. Continue the next one.
Mata Unnayati.
Unnayati means lifts up.
Mata Unnayati Shishuhu Roditi.
Yes.
So Mata Rodantam.
Not Rodantam. This is
Roditum.
No. Rudantav, Rudantaha, Rudantam. Okay.
So Mata Rudantam Shishum Unnayati.
Yes. Rudantam Shishum Unnayati. The next one. Sumati ji.
Yeah. Putraha Krignati Vridaha Skalati. So this will be Skalan Vridram Putraha Krignati.
Again?
What do you mean by Vridram? Will it be in the Dvitiya Shanchi?
Yes.
So Skalantam
Very good.
Vridam Putraha Grignati.
That's a sentence.
Yeah.
Skalati is falling down, is stumbling. Oh. And Putra holds him.
Holds the, okay.
So Skalantam Vridham Putram Grignati. Yes.
Then Pita Shlagate Putraha Gayati. So this will be Gayantam Putram Pita Shlagate.
Praising.
Shlagate.
Okay.
Then Neta Pashyati.
I think you can stop here. lot of exercises there. We will do. It's a good abhyasa. So you can remember where we stopped. So next class you can let me know. 25th we have to start. So you understand Chaturanta?
Yes, sure.
Some understanding is there, right? So we will develop on this further. I think we're going to do a lot of exercises on this. The Chaturanta, as I said, it will go for many weeks. We have to see other lingas. A lot of information will come also in between. So up to this, if you have any doubt, you can please ask me. Any doubts?
No, sure.
Anybody having doubts?
No.
No,
No
sure.
doubt.
So far we are able to follow.
I'll stop here. We'll continue.
Identifying the Gana only, I think we need to do the practice.
That's okay. That will come over a lot of time. Yes.
Yeah.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanta Shanta Shanti Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.
Dhanyawad ji.
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad,
One
Shashi.
question, Ji.
Yeah.
The prasdatu, prasarayati, prasdatu. Prasara.
Not prasdatu, it's srudhatu, praupasarga.
Oh, okay.
Not prasdatu.
Okay.
Prasarayati means spreads. Srudhatu, sru means to sarati, to go. With praupasarga means it spreads.
Yeah, the prasdatu also it gives them same meaning to spread, so I confused it. Okay. All right. Thank you, Ji.